Hey everyone. So in this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Clickup subscription and, if needed, close your Clickup account completely. This is the full updated guide for 2026. And yeah, I'll walk you through it step by step so you don't miss anything important. First, log into your Clickup account using a desktop browser. Subscription and billing options are easier to manage on desktop compared to mobile. Once you're inside Clickup, look at the bottom left corner and click on your workspace avatar. From there, open the workspace settings. This is where all billing and plan options live. Inside settings, find the billing or plans section. This page shows your current ClickUp plan, billing cycle, and payment details. Now look for the option that says cancel plan or downgrade. ClickUp may ask you to confirm or give a reason. Just follow the prompts. Once confirmed, your subscription will be canceled at the end of the current billing period. After canceling, your workspace usually switches to the free plan. You won't be charged again, but you may lose access to paid features once the billing cycle ends. Make sure to export important data before the plan expires, just in case. If you want to completely close your ClickUp account, scroll down in Settings and look for Account or Security options. From there, you can request account deletion. ClickUp may ask for confirmation by email before permanently closing the account. After canceling, always check your email for a confirmation message from ClickUp. That email confirms your subscription or account has been successfully canceled. And yeah, that's how you cancel a ClickUp subscription or account in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.